Today, I'm going to be reacting to this video by Inland Empire Refuse Trucks. Pretty sure it's just Inland Empire Refuse. Oh boy, I always screw something up, don't I? This is called Burrtec Volvo WX Bridgeport Ranger ASL 1837. So I think this ought to be pretty cool. Little side note, I really hope that the audio works in this video because I've been having trouble with it on my recent ones. I turned it down on my phone, but I don't know if that works. So, worst thing that might happen... Oh, shoot, I just dropped my phone. Worst thing that might happen is, I guess, well, I have to yell. So, alright, let's do this. Barely even hear it because I turned it down so much, but I can hear it just fine. Dang, that's fast, actually. It sounds good. It actually sounds a lot like a white GMC. Maybe it is a white GMC, just a Volvo badge on the grill. Let's see if I figure out where this is. Burrtec trucks usually say, I think that says Riverside, I don't know. Yep, Riverside, California. And it's LND too. Oh wait, carb can't have a fit. How about that? It's split too, although I doubt they're using the split. It's interesting that they have totals here. I wonder if Burrtec took this over from another another company. Because usually Burrtec uses rear rigs. See back there, you got a fully automated Cascade, toter, rear rig. I think I'm gonna have to watch this again to get the full extent of the video. Unfortunately, I can just tell how well it sounds, and I want to turn up my headphones so bad that I'm worried it's going to screw up the audio. It's a really wide-angle lens, actually. I've always liked how, flimsy Bridgeport Rangers are. Thing's still moving. Look at how flimsy this is. It's almost like it has the swivel, the auto reach swivel feature. Except it's uncontrollable. Here's a rare rig. Ooh, a lid flip. How about that? Drop your bag. This looks like an iPhone to record, but it also didn't with the way that zoomed. It zoomed like way too smooth for an iPhone. Oh wow, that actually came out better than I expected. I was wondering if the little pole was going to hinder the shot of the arm, but that actually didn't work out too bad. It stood in the exact correct spot. The can just flies all over the place. It's the magic bullet. It hits everything on the truck. I'm sure the revving doesn't help the arm stability, but it's awesome. Now, does anyone out there know if Rangers are controlled by joystick or rockers, or is it something else? This looks like a bit too flimsy to have a joystick for. It probably is rockers. The other option is it's levers. Although I guess that's kind of what rockers are. This truck's actually funny to watch. That was it. That flew by. Can't believe that was 6 minutes 2 seconds. Actually, it felt more like 3 minutes. That was a really good video. Actually, the arm was actually cracking me up. It's obviously super beat up. If I had filmed this truck, I'm pretty sure I would have filmed it in almost the exact same spots. Actually. Of course, we're not all perfect. I didn't really have much to complain about with that, actually. That was good. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out Inland Empire Refuse. I just realized this video is his most recent one. It was uploaded a little bit over a month ago. I wonder if the pandemic has anything to do with that. I will tell you, just don't be scared. Just be cautious, you know. I stopped filming for a while, but I've returned to filming now. The problem is I just can't go outside of AV. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.